Hi everyone, it's Artis from Man Carpentry. In today's video I would like to thank every subscriber we had and have. We have reached 104 today, so just a massive thanks for your support, for your likes, for comments, for interactions, and please do comment and maybe say suggestions if you like, because that all helps to bring content what you like. Also, I think it's a like a little milestone, you could say. We've been just over a year now. I think we've done well. That shows that you guys like content we produce. There will be something else coming, like more of construction and refurbs in the future, because we are going to do that sort of work more, just so we can do a bit bigger sort of range, and because we can do from cabinets, to first fix, second fix carpentry. There's a lot more we can do, and roofs and stuff like that, because so that is the plan. So that's what you could be looking in the future, what sort of content we're gonna get, but we're also gonna get like our usual, cabinet making and all sorts, bespoke furnitures, everything what we've been doing before as well. So I'm sure we get them as well. So I think there'll be just a bigger variety of stuff we're gonna be doing, and therefore you're gonna see different stuff. So yeah, massive thank you again, and we'll catch up in the next videos.